Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is December the 13th. We're on our first of 2 jobs today. This is out here in Grayson, Georgia, not far from Lawrenceville. So this is a new client that reached out to me, went to my website. He filled out the form, and he said when they moved into this house, they noticed that the floors was really shiny, and then over time with traffic, he noticed the scuffing and the scratches, the micro scratches. So I came out here and did do a consultation, set the appointment for today, and what we're going to be doing, guys, is a wax removal. And let me show you what we're going to be doing. All right, so this is our first appointment of today. We are in Grayson, Georgia, and then next I went and looked at a floor last night. We're going to be doing that floor today for some contractors. So guys, in this house, a lot of homes, the client said it was like this when they moved in. The people prior, clients, homeowners prior, they put down those wax products, and you can see, like right here, see those scuff marks. All right, and so what we're going to be doing, not going to be putting anything back on the floor, just removing the wax from the floor. Okay, we got a little bit over 700 square feet. Wax removal is $3 a square foot. And I just did a little test right here, and we can see the wax coming off. So I've already made up my emulsifier, and my client really thought he was going to have to get the floors replaced. So let me show you guys. This is a prime example. This is the original floor right here. And then if you, let me see if I can flip this around. Yep. You can see who lived here before. They had a rug, and look right there. You see the difference? All right. That's what that wax does. It corrects that high acrylic finish, you know, well, not finish, it's a wax, and it ruins floors all the time, as you guys seen in many of my videos. So we're going ahead and get this floor treated, get this wax off, basically getting the floors back to its original condition, and I'll come back and show you some results. Guys, as you can see, I just got through spraying the solution down. Just had a guy call me from Macon, Georgia. He found me on YouTube. He got the same issue, got quick shine on his floors. So guys, you can see the wax is being emulsified. All right, see that? And again, a lot of people think they have to replace their floors because these are engineered floors, so they can't be sanded. But you can see that wax is coming off. All right, guys. All right, guys, look at this right here, man. You can see the difference. Look at all that wax on the floor that we have not even emulsified yet. This is where people see those footprints and those scuff marks. People always send me pictures. I say it's not in your floor, it's in the wax. Guys, look at this huge difference. My client, he is already ecstatic with the results. Taking all that polish off the floors. Look at that, guys. Look at that, wow. Huge difference. Yeah, look, he said nothing. All the scratches is gone. Because again, guys, it's in the wax. It's not in the finish. And then remember, this is a pre-finished floor with aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide is a hard finish, okay? It is really hard to, not say you can't scratch, because there's nothing, I tell clients all the time, there's nothing that's scratch proof, okay? Scratch resistant, but not scratch proof. Always remember this: if you can go outside and scratch concrete, you can scratch a floor. All right. So, but yeah, this is what I tell clients a lot of times when they send me pictures, videos, and I tell them, you see like these little surface marks, it's not in the wax. I mean, I'm sorry, it's not in the floor, it's in the wax. He cannot believe it. It's a totally different floor, guys. This is what we do. So what we're doing, also my chemistry, I actually helped formulate this product. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, give myself a pat on the back. I did help formulate this product with ProCoat. This is ProCoat's product, all right? And Mr. Sager, who's one of my, man, he has just been a great inspiration to me in this industry. He actually said I gave, how did he say it? Basically, gave them the the not the idea, but I basically inspired them to come up with this multi-surface pro cleaner. So I'm definitely going to keep this in my arsenal. So what we're doing, we're emulsifying the floor with the Pro Coat wax removal, spraying it down in my pump up sprayer, and then we are pouring the 𝐮𝐬𝐲 into the fresh water tank. Only thing that goes into your fresh water tanks is either neutral or plain water. Never put alkaline or acid in your machines because it can destroy your pump. All right. Wow, guys, what a difference. All right, guys, what we're going to do now is go ahead and emulsify straight down, work ourselves down to the end zone, and another touchdown. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, what a job. My clients, you so happy? Yeah. Client is so happy. They actually, the husband just wrote me a review on Google. And guys, look at these floors, man. Took all that wax off. Floors restored back to their original texture. Again, this is an engineered floor, so we didn't have to put anything back on the floor. And this floor is more of a, I'm gonna say this floor is more of a satin finish. So unless they wanted to take it higher, take the sheen higher, which I wouldn't recommend, or lower, we could do that with a screen and recoat. But most clients, in this case, they say, Courtney, you just want to take the floors back to the original sheen, how they used to look. And here it is, guys. And see, we're walking around. All right, well, that's going to do it. Now we're going to head to Marietta. We're going to stop by John Dunn, pick up a few supplies, and then we're going to head to Marietta and also do another clean, brand new floor. Contractor that found me, and take care of them. All right, guys, see you in the next one.